Right, fuckers, here's 5 steps to calm panic attacks. And if the word fuck offends you, get out of here. Scroll to the next, swipe up, down, however the hell you're doing it. Get out of here. I don't want you here. You're not my people. But if you're here, if you like the F word, awesome, love you, boom, boom, yes. 5 easy steps to calm your panic attack. You ready for it? All right, step 1. Step 1 is acknowledging the panic. Acknowledge the anxiety. Say, hi anxiety, I see you, you fucker. Come on over here. Just like you're inviting a friend over. Hey fucker, come on over here, take a seat. Yeah, I see you. It's just a feeling. It's just anxiety. And you are much more powerful than that feeling, than that anxiety. So invite it over like a friend. Acknowledge it, step 1. Step 2, take a seat or lie down with your eyes open. Just focus on an object in front of you. Maybe it's a light or a picture or a piece of furniture, or if you're lying down, it could be a ceiling fan. You know, like for example, I'm looking at this lamp. It's yellow. It's ugly as fuck. But it's okay. You can laugh too. And just describe it out loud, what it looks like. I'm looking at this ugly as fuck lamp. I need to get a new one. It's okay. But it's here in front of me. Just getting back to the present moment, step 2. You're just focusing on that object, describe it, and as you're focusing on it, your eyes start to relax. Your eyelids start to relax. They start to feel heavier, and your eyes close. There you go. Eyes closed, feeling more relaxed. And in just a moment, step 3 is a breathing technique. Not yet, but in a moment. With your mouth closed, you'll breathe in through your nose a 4 count. You'll hold your breath a 2 count. And you'll exhale out your mouth a 6 count. Let's do it. Mouth closed. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. Open the mouth. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Mouth closed. Inhale 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. 1, 2. Exhale out the mouth. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it on your own. A couple breaths. Now allow the counting to fade away. And just come back to a steady breath, a natural breath. And step 4 is smile. Even if you don't want to smile, smile. Fake it. Your body is the subconscious mind, so what you do with your body affects your mind. So smile, you start to feel better. Smile even bigger. Yes, smile even more. There you go, you're starting to feel better. And with this smile, you can keep the smile or you can release it. Because you feel so much better, say this affirmation silently to yourself. I feel safe, secure, and relaxing more and more. I feel safe, secure, and relaxing more and more. I feel safe, secure, and relaxing more and more. And there you go. That's that 5 easy steps. First, acknowledge. Welcome the anxiety in as a friend. Second, find an object in your space and just describe it. Focus on it. Allow your eyelids to relax. Third, do that breath work technique. Mouth closed, breathe in 4, hold 2, exhale out the mouth 6. And then smile. Smile, yes. And as you smile, you say that affirmation. I am safe, secure, and relaxing more and more. Yes. Have a great day. Boom.